level up, 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 level up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, watch me. I just keep elevating, no losses, just upgrading. My lessons made blessings, I turned that into money.
Hey beauty world, it's your girl Desiree and welcome back. And for those of you who are new, hit that subscribe button and that bell button to get notified when new videos are out. Today I'm going to be discussing this hair that was sent to me by a hair company on Amazon named BuLaDou Hair. They sent over 2 bundles of Jolia curly hair Brazilian version grade 7A. So this is what I have in my hair right now. In this video I'm going to be talking about the top things that can make or break a hair company. I'm going to be discussing their packaging, smell of the hair, discussing the texture and the density because they mentioned that it's 7A. On top of that, I'm going to be talking about the wash and dry process, the shedding or the matting, and last but not least, if this hair is recommended. So stay tuned, take notes, and enjoy. So I received this packaging, came like this. It wasn't that cute, it just came like, of course, if you guys have Amazon Prime, of course it comes in the box. But within the box, it came with this white clear packaging. And I was just like, oh God, they just, you know, they sent me some hair, some free hair. And like, it comes in this packaging, but then you never know. Never judge a book by its cover. In the packaging, this letter that says, "Dear value customer, thank you so much for purchasing our hair. We would like to try our best to provide you with the best quality of hair and service for you. If you have any problems with your order, please feel free to email us and we will try our best to help. If you like this hair, can you leave us a review? We will send you some gifts to express our appreciation. Please email us at," then they got their email and then their phone number. I love that they have an American phone number and not a WhatsApp phone number. I give it a 10. The hair doesn't smell bad, doesn't have nothing distinguished. Hair just smells like hair. Had no bugs in it. Usually when I get hair companies from overseas, it has bugs in it or whatever the case might be. This didn't have bugs in it. Doesn't really have a smell. It just smells like hair. When I say, yeah, I know I love curly hair and they did not pay me to say this. Like, they just sent me free hair. I had this hair for, I guess you would say, close to a month. Like, I love it and it's so thick. Like I told you, I only got 2 bundles and I made it work. Like I talked a little bit about it, but it mentions that it's 7A. And if you guys know what that means, it just basically means like root to tip how thick it is. And I've had grade 10A, 7A, all these A's and B's. And truthfully, honestly, it's just about how well you hold onto the bundle. And you can tell when every time you go further down from the weft hair, you can see how thin it goes. So I did the bundle test. It was pretty thick. I don't know what they meant by 7A. I'm guessing the inches from the actual inch that they provide. I mean, you can stop from right, I guess when you stop right here, that's when it starts to thin out. But from root up into my collarbone area, it's not virgin hair. This is human hair, but it's not virgin hair. Virgin hair is usually taken from the donor's scalp. Then it is gone through the cycle, like the assembly line, where they take a whole bunch of hair, they put it through the comb to test it out, to take all the dandruff and the bugs, or just basically combing out the hair, detangling it. Then they put it through the other machine where they make into wefts and do all this, then the third. And all they do is just dip the hair in the water, shampoo in the conditioner, and let it dry. And probably steam it if they want to get a certain curl pattern. With this, it went through that process, but also dyed. I knew it was dyed because when I washed the hair, I noticed black. And I was like, oh. I'm like, oh my God. It's not even virgin hair. Like, I have a thing for virgin hair. When it's processed hair, human hair, you don't really get as much of a last out of it. I'm praying that I get a last out of it because I do wear my hair to the bone, to the wheels fall off. So let's see how long this is gonna last. This has been only a month and so far so great. I haven't really had no complaints. It was shedding. shedding is usual, like it's normal with curly hair. And on top of that, I experience a lot of shedding only because I cut the wefts. So when I separated and I cut the wefts, I already knew that there was gonna be a lot of shedding. It wasn't like clumps, it was just, you know, the minimum when you comb through it out. I'm gonna show you guys right now. I just pulled, and this is as much as you're gonna get for shedding. It's not a lot. Matting, actually don't get matting in the back. Like, probably now that I just did that, but when I take my wig off every night, it should be no reason for me to have shedding. I mean matting, because I take it off every night. When I'm outside and it's hot as hell, I don't get that mat in the back. Yeah, I never experienced that mat in the back. Like, it wasn't nothing, no hairballs back there, nothing. When I take it off, it's nothing. I recommend this hair 110%. It's very affordable. Although I didn't pay, it's very affordable. I believe like one bundle is like $67 or whatever the case might be for an 18-inch. I did wish they give me a third bundle to see how it looks, but two bundles, if you would have done my method, I don't want to say 2 bundles is enough. 2 bundles is not recommended because you need about 3 bundles for a full wig. Last but not least, take a time out to like this video. Comment down below if you do love this hair on me as well as I love it on me. Also comment down below if I forgot anything. If you do need the link for this hair, it will be in the description box below. Also a link to their Amazon store as well. That's pretty much it, guys. Please take a time out to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you soon. Peace.
Go best friend, go best friend. Level up, level up, level up. Go best friend, go best friend. Level up, level up, level up.